ओहो सांचो भाई, अपना नाम कर्मा रख लो यार, बिकॉज कर्मा इज अ बिच एंड सो आर यू। अब औकात दिखा दी भाई दोनों क्लब्स में। नीदर चेल्सी वांट्स हिम नॉर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड वांट्स हिम भाई। दिस इज द न्यूज, लेटेस्ट न्यूज एज पर फब्रिजियो रोमानो। चेल्सी में इंडीड पे मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड कॉम्पनसेशन to avoid fulfilling their obligation to buy Jadon Sancho, but that is not the intention at this time. Man United don't want him back. The players want to stay, and United don't want him back. Bhai. Wow. ये होता है व्हेन यू डिसरिस्पेक्ट योर पेरेंट क्लब, वो क्लब जो तुम्हारी सैलरीज दे रही है भाई। लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट ही वाज द वन जिसने मार्कस रैशफोर्ड के पोस्ट पे भी कमेंट किया था, फ्रीडम वंस मार्कस रैशफोर्ड लेफ्ट टू एस्टन विला। जैसे कि भाई यूनाइटेड से आजादी मिल गई है, अब तेरे को भी यूनाइटेड से आजादी मिल गई है, जाके दूसरा क्लब ढूंढ भाई। सोचो भाई, चेल्सी आर विलिंग टू बैक आउट ऑफ द डील ऑफ बाइंग जेडन सैंचो एंड बोल रहे तुम पैसे ले लो, हमारे को जेडन सैंचो नहीं चाहिए भाई। ये this is karma and that is why you are a bitch.
Bygone.
Moving on to the second news and this is an important one guys. अब देखो यार, प्रीमियर लीग इज आउट ऑफ आवर रीच। हम प्रीमियर लीग से यूरोपियन कॉम्पिटिशंस भी नहीं जा सकते एंड द ओनली मेजर ट्रॉफी टू फोकस अपॉन दिस सीजन इज द यूएफए यूरोपा लीग, जो हम लियोन के अगेंस्ट खेल रहे हैं इन अप्रैल भाई, है ना। तो अब हमारे पास टाइम है, स्पेशली मैचेस अगेंस्ट लेस्टर, जहां पे वी कैन गिव यंगस्टर्स a chance to play so that they are ready for the next season. So for example, अपना left wing back Harry Amas, Patrick Dorgu red carded है, so he won't be able to play. You have a relatively experienced defense है ना, मास भी होगा। हैरी मैगवायर इज बैक फ्रॉम इंजरी बट आई एम श्योर दैट ही वोंट प्ले मोर देन 15-20 minutes. Then you also have Mazrui who can play and Eden Heaven also can play and right wing back पे डालो भी है. So why not give chances to the younger players like Harry Amas, like Chido Obi, give Collier more minutes so that squad भी rotate होगी, बाकी सारे players rest होंगे and these players are ready for the next season as well as the upcoming matches. We have a crazy fixture list in the Premier League of our remaining matches. हम नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट को खेल रहे हैं, हम सिटी को खेल रहे हैं, हम बोर्नमथ को खेल रहे हैं, ब्रेंटफोर्ड, वेस्ट हैम, चेल्सी, ऑल द बिग मैचेस आर रिमेनिंग। तो वहां पे rather than starting or giving a debut to these young players there, why not here भाई? This is a perfect match because जीतो हारो तुम्हारी लीग में पोजीशन ऊपर नीचे नहीं होगी, बस गालियां ऊपर नीचे होंगी। एंड नाउ द प्रीवियस मैच विच यू सॉ इन द यूरोपा लीग, दोज आर साइंस ऑफ प्रोग्रेस। सो व्हाइल आई एम सेइंग कि ऐसा नहीं कि सारे यंगस्टर्स डाल दो पिच पे, आई थिंक इट कुड बी अ मिक्स एंड मैच and players like Harry Amas should get a game and that is why I want him to start. He is a left footed wing back, academy में भी अच्छा कर रहा है, so why not? Moving on to the third news, it is Mason Mount yaar. So this is what Ruben Amorim said about Mason Mount. I believe a lot in Mason Mount. We need players like Mount. He was a European champion. He's a really talented player. And when the player does everything like he does, he will always have the support of everyone in the club. So again, by Ruben Amorim is all praise for Mason Mount. And he also said that I think Mason Mount will be on the bench versus the Leicester match. We will see, but we will need every player. And if he is fit, I am going to take him. He cannot play too many minutes, but just 5 minutes for Mason Mount is perfect. So you will see Mason Mount also coming for 5-10 minutes depending upon how the match goes. And honestly, he's a good player. He just needs to manage his injury yaar. Talking about Casemiro yaar, तुम बताओ what are your views on Casemiro earning 350,000 pounds per week? But लास्ट गेम अगर तुम देखोगे सोसिएदाद वाला, ही हैड अ गुड गेम यार, एंड इनफैक्ट लास्ट एक मंथ में ही हैज हैड डिसेंट गेम्स. सो वुड यू स्टिल वांट टू कीप हिम और नॉट? यू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. बट दिस इज व्हाट Amorim said. I think I am also learning how to use players like Casemiro, and like you said, without a lot of options, we are trying to put our players in the best position and that helps us a lot yaar. So Casemiro no doubt has come to life yet again under Ruben Amorim, but let's see कि क्या उसका future है. I honestly don't think he is a part of the long term future and we should cash upon Casemiro as early as we can. अभी सऊदी से ऑफर आएगा वापस समर में. I know Casemiro is saying that he doesn't want to leave and wants to run out his contract at Manchester United, which means he can stay the next season as well. But honestly, I would rather say कि अगर 20-25 मिलियन मिल रहे हैं Casemiro के, so why not take that money and get the players Ruben Amorim wants? I'm telling you, it won't be an easy affair because contract पे player, but अगर pressure डालोगे तो कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई. So let's see. And the next news is Bruno Fernandes. He got the support of Ruben Amorim. Last match में hat trick मारा, and Ruben Amorim said he's a perfect captain for our team and we need to help him win titles because he deserves a lot. And I agree yaar. I know half of you might say that Bruno is still not that player you wanted him to become, but he has my full support. And बहुत सारे पंडित्स और legends including Roy Keane ने काफ़ी criticize किया है ब्रूनो को. Roy Keane even called Bruno an imposter भाई, है ना. So while ex-pundits can say a lot of things, and it's not just Roy Keane, a lot of ex-pundits have criticized Bruno, but one thing is for sure, and I know this as a fact, कि अगर वही लेजेंड्स सर एलेक्स के सिस्टम में नहीं होते और इस मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड स्क्वाड में होते ना, जहां पे अभी फाउंडेशन ले नहीं हुई है, half of them would have left the club and wouldn't have become Manchester United legends. But that is why I love Bruno. I know he has some कमियां खामियां, लॉन्ग बॉल उसको पसंद है, हीरो बॉल उसको पसंद है, ज़्यादा होल्ड नहीं करता, he always looks the forward pass, but still his pros outweigh the cons every time. He has my full support and we wish him all the best. मैं तो चाहता हूँ थोड़ा रेस्ट कर ले भाई. His biggest asset is his availability. The best ability of a player right now is availability and he is always there भाई. चाहे 2 दिन बाद मैच हो, चाहे हफ्ते बाद मैच हो, he is always there and he is the captain Manchester United deserves according to me यार. Moving on to the last news which is a crazy news यार, ये मैंने कल की स्ट्रीम में भी कवर करा था. But Sir Jim Ratcliffe said this about Glazers and we cannot believe it yaar. We all know that Glazers are the root cause of everything that is going wrong at Manchester United. And this is what Sir Jim said and defended the Glazer family. He said they are very polite, they are very civilized, they are the nicest people on the planet. I mean, there isn't a bad bone in Joel Glazer's body. I mean, part of the problem is that there isn't a bad bone in his body. Why? Why would you say that यार सर जिम? When you yourself know, गैरी नेविल के इंटरव्यू में भी गैरी नेविल ने बोला यार कि तुम्हारा क्लब डेट में है और ग्लेजर्स ने 200 मिलियन क्लब से निकाले हैं. So why don't you ask them to pay for their mistakes? They were the owners of the club. Everything that happened in the club was under them yaar. And if they did not look at the operations directly, that is negligence. Why aren't they putting the money back? Sir Jim had no answer and everybody knows that this is the problem and I don't know why Sir Jim defended that and मेरे को ये गुस्सा आया. Thank you so much for joining guys. That was the video. Love you. Mwah. See you in the next one.
Bye guys.
यो OG फैंस, मेरे को पता था तुम ये वीडियो अभी तक देख रहे होगे भाई. आज के कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो क्यूटी, CUTIE, क्यूटी. वाई? फॉर ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस यार, बिकॉज ही इज आवर कैप्टन, स्टेप्स इन एवरी टाइम. तो क्यूटी कमेंट कर दो, मैं समझ जाऊंगा, बिकॉज यू आर माई OG मेंबर्स वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर सो लॉन्ग. लव यू द मोस्ट. सी यू एंड मिलते हैं भाई अगले वीडियो में.